Seasonal greetings from Embedded Dronacharya discussion forum. So here we are again with a very beautiful project of interfacing a sensor with PIC 16F877A, which is a 40-pin PIC microcontroller with on-chip ADC and serial port support. So here we have on the display of the screen we have the PIC 40-pin target board, which consists of the UART support and the power supply and the basic circuit necessary for operation of the PIC microcontroller. Here we have an ultrasonic transducer. The work of this transducer is to generate ultrasonic waves into the air, and if at all any obstacle crosses it, the waves will be reflected from the obstacles back to the transducer. So if the ultrasonic waves are reflected and received by the transducer again, it triggers a signal. And the strength of the signal, that is the amplitude of the signal, varies with respect to the distance or position of the obstacle from the transducer. So this transducer can be pretty well used as an obstacle sensor cum proximity sensor. So it can tell you at what distance an obstacle is. Keeping the strength of the analog signal, which is the output of this transducer, we can tell at what distance the object or the obstacle is from the sensor. So let us see the operation of the project now displayed here. What I have done is I have configured the analog to digital converter on chip ADC in the PIC 16F877A to read the analog voltage from the sensor. This work is done by the analog voltage carried by this yellow color line. This yellow color Berg wire carries the analog signal from the transducer. So I have placed this transducer exactly at the edge of the table, and now I have programmed the controller to trigger the LED, white color LED over here on, whenever the output voltage from this ultrasonic transducer exceeds 130 millivolts. Keeping the test results of the ultrasonic transducer, I can conclude that the voltage output from the ultrasonic transducer lies in the range of 60 millivolts to 400 millivolts. Now I have nominally chosen a value of 130 millivolts. So whenever the value of the analog voltage from the sensor crosses 130 millivolts, the white color LED, the LED over here, will be triggered on. Now I have powered this board using an adapter which supplies me 6 volts, and the voltage regulator is on the board, and all the basic connections necessary for the operation of PIC 16F877A microcontroller is on the board, available, ready to use. And I have interfaced this ultrasonic transducer to the PIC microcontroller. So I'm just going to detect whether an obstacle is there at a particular distance at which the output of the sensor will be 130 millivolts. Now that the LED is not glowing, the transducer is made to look up in the air. There is no obstacle. And now let us see what happens when I bring my palm close to the sensor. See, as I bring my palm close to the sensor, the white color LED is triggered on. When I just take it off, it switches off. So ranging, we can just move the palm up to the transducer on the line of sight of the transducer and see up to what range it senses. So approximately the sensing range is 45 centimeters from the transducer. So if an obstacle comes into the range of 45 centimeters for the transducer will trigger the white color LED on, as you can see. I've taken the palm and the LED has gone off, and now I am keeping the palm, again the LED has come on. So this can be controlled in the transducer's analog voltage, and the point is that the sensing or the range of this transducer is up to 20 feet. At 20 feet it will exhibit the lowest possible voltage from the transducer. So accordingly we can calibrate the sensor and use it for proximity sensing or obstacle sensing or whatnot. It can also be used for short range sonar detection in robots. So this is a very useful sensor, and this tutorial would have given you an insight of how to interface the ultrasonic transducer seamlessly to the PIC microcontroller without the need of any interfacing chips or ICs. Directly this sensor has been interfaced to the PIC microcontroller. The transducer derives a supply of 5 volts from the board itself. So it is being powered by the board, and the output signal is given to the board again, and the LED is telling you whether an obstacle is lying within the defined range of the user. The range is defined by the user, and the range can be defined anywhere from 0 to 20 feet. So this would have given you an insight of how to interface ultrasonic transducer to PIC 16F877A. Keep watching Embedded Dronacharya discussion forum for some more interesting interfacing of transducers to the PIC microcontrollers. Keep watching, keep following us. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Thank you.